Hey there everybody, thank you for tuning in. So today we've got a bit of a fun one. Working on some landscaping beds here. As you can see, very overgrown, got tons of oak tree saplings coming up. So we're gonna get all this leveled down, we're gonna trim up the laurel pedlums, a couple of azaleas in here. We've got a neat little tool we're gonna try out. Oh, actually Shane's got it out already. We got this thing here, I can't remember what this is called, but it's got these 3 metal blades that pop out. This thing works really good. We actually yesterday did that side over there, and it didn't quite look this bad, but it did a fantastic job on all the grass and everything. So we're gonna get a little shot of that on this side, and then we also got a little bit to do over there, and we have some in the backyard, which we'll get to in a little bit. I guess for now we'll start right here.
Safety first. So this weed trimmer has been sitting in the garage for months. Will it run and drive through this mulch bed?
No.
Perfect.
Terrifying.
A little scary, isn't it?
Terrifying.
quick work of it.
Yeah. Thing works pretty good. So I guess now we just gotta crawl around our hands and knees, pluck out some of these taller saplings in there. And... Alright, a little bit we got back here. So say I think we're basically taking everything down to the ground except for obviously the crepe myrtles. Just cleaning all the stuff out. I think it's a lot of that petunia stuff. That's just me.
Now, do you think?
Oh wow.
Sorry. Do you think that corner's interesting enough to look at? You know?
Yes.
Like, I mean, if you really, I mean, like, you like in the corner, you're like, man, this is really interesting.
Yeah.
You think that would work?
Probably not.
You don't think so?
No.
I thought about hopping right here and just going down the woods a bit.
Did you think about that?
I mean, no joke, hitter. I've got to pee so bad. Don't use that in the
Aw.
video.
What happened? Oh, don't do that. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow, he broke it. Oh my gosh, guys, he broke it. Oh. Oh no, oh now he broke it too.
You'll
Oh my
never
gosh.
guess what we broke at this lawn site.
You guys will never guess.
Oh my god, look.
Oh, you messed it all up.
Hey, man.
Oh yeah.
You want to sniff my flower?
Squeak.
No, I didn't have no more water in it.
But I thought maybe we'd just like watch you pick up debris for a second.
Well, I'm done picking up.
Okay. I did say 1 second.
Here's a little tip though.
Okay.
You know, I got a little small pile here.
Yeah, yeah.
And
How
you
do
see, like, you try to like grab it, kind of.
Yeah, how do we get that?
Like, you grab it like this, you know.
Yeah.
You know, you grab it a little bit, but you know.
It takes a minute, right?
Well, you take your little fan rakey here, and you kind of get up where you can do that, and you kind of have it like a dustpan, and then you come in and you go like this. Bam. I mean, of course, you got a little bit of stragglers here.
I mean, we need every leaf picked up.
And we'll just round up the stragglers real quick.
Look at that scoop action.
Oh yeah, get that scoop.
Oh yeah, we got that scoop.
And then, yeah,
How about the dump action? Dang. That was clean.
Boom.
Oh, you just kind of made some more leaves come out.
Oh well.
Alright, along the side of the house here, we got ourselves some nice boxwoods. Guess the idea here is to let them grow up a little bit. We're going to square it off, kind of make a nice green wall here. Then we've got some more African iris over here. Also some mondo grass as like a little border here. So that'll kind of grow in together quite nicely over time. Alrighty, so here's the front bed by the driveway. If you guys remember, this was full of tons of little oak saplings. So we went through, we cleaned all that up really good with our nice little fancy blade tool that goes on our weed eater. That worked out fantastic. Got ourselves a nice layer of mulch on there. Alrighty, now if y'all remember, this area was just full of, well, junk grass, also tons of Mexican petunia. We went through, we took all that down, again with our little metal blade weed eater head. Worked out really good, and of course, laid it down with a nice layer of mulch. And then here at the end, we went ahead and put in, I don't remember what these are called, something Hawthorne. Well, I can't remember. Let me redo that. I'll let the editor take care of that.
Look how good it is at getting into tight spaces. You see that? Throwing it exactly where you need it. With precision. I think we need more horsepower.